Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The market headed higher for the Australian dollar and it clears the level of 63.45. Was a little bit hesitant as it reached its next objective around 63.80-90 area after printing at 63.77 and retreated slightly. Nevertheless, the technicals are still firm and holding to a bullish trend. I still feel the market is destined to reach that top side target around 64 to 64.5 cents, where the 60-day moving average is, with any pullback likely to be shallow, finding support now around 63.30. Euro was somewhat weaker after taking the challenge higher, printed a brief high around 106.93. It was quite close, near the objective of 107.30 before pulling back. So there is good supply at the top side of this range, somewhere around 107 to 107.30. And with the pullback, could actually see a retest now of this support line, which is seen around 105.40. But I do anticipate further gains. I'm not getting too bearish as of yet. Dollar yen still coasting sideways and still teasing that topside level around 150, with the potential of an intervention by Japanese officials. Nevertheless, I feel the market is somewhat weak, but the bounce off the midway point for the RSI has given some support. Let's see if the market can break through 150, but it will be very volatile, as I still feel overall we are looking for a pullback, but we do need to see a break of 148.75. A very whipsaw price action for sterling as it takes the challenge at this trend line and fell all the way back to 121.60. Towards the topside challenge, the market was overcome and therefore could see a pullback there to 121 before seeing another uptest. Another doji in play here, more to the hanging man after the long-legged doji, and the market is still somewhat weak. I feel gold is going to test lower and eventually we'll see a pullback after challenging the bottom side of the range at 1,956. A close under there will give further scope down towards 1,920. Wrapping up with oil, it's heading lower and still holding to its objective, which is very close now at 82.35.50 after printing a low of 82.73. I feel there is still a little bit more downside, so let's see if the market can break 82.35, and if so, we'll give scope down towards the base here at $78 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest report, and I hope you enjoy the great start of the day.